Hello, everyone. This is a hype video. I can't call it anything else. I had a package tonight that was waiting for me after dinner and put everybody to bed. The kids, that is. Mom's probably still awake watching HBO Max of some sort. But I opened up this package, and I don't always open packages right away, but so I had some time. It's a lazy Friday evening, and I open it up and I see this thing, and this is, I don't know. This thing is really cool. I love how it looks. I knew that they were doing something, and I had an idea, but when I get it in my hand, I just was so enamored and impressed with it. It just These are all accessories. Let me state that first. You may be able to buy one in a color scheme like this. I don't know that. And the accessories I don't even think are available on the market yet. So if you go looking for them, I don't think you'll find them. I won't have links in the video description to these parts, but these are all new parts from Radio Master, so you can dress up your radio. Of course, they did some customization there for me, and the red, and you might not be able to tell it as we look at it now, but it's got leather grips on this thing. Leather grips. And it just feels good. It looks good. And they've got this new bar in the back that folds down, and it's pretty firm. You can hear something in here that's like it's spring-loaded or something. Hopefully you could hear that. So you can lay it down flat in the back. That's pretty handy, but you still have this handle that you can use to mount the other stands on and things. I've still got the protective cover on it. They've also got a protective sheet that you can buy, I think. This was in the box as well. Oh, what else was in the box? They've got some cool stickers now. I don't think they had these all that long. Rippin' nuts. What are they trying to say there? And then there were some extra springs. I'm guessing these are just spares, but maybe there are tension differences. So, really cool. No, I didn't do this myself. Might be another question you have. I still have my original TX16S. It's right over here. And this, I don't know, this looks really good. I can give you a quick comparison look at it, I guess, here. I don't think there are a lot of differences other than maybe small, minor cosmetic differences. Of course, my sticks are silver and these are red. And I thought at first the trim buttons were different, but now that I look at them, it's just a visual difference that when you look at them, this one seems like the trim buttons are a little bit more flush with the faceplate, but it's just not. Of course, we have a different lanyard. You got a 2 position over here, and it's much easier to read these 2 buttons, I think, if you do a comparison between the two, especially with the camera angle and the lights. You're probably having a struggle there. I don't know. I thought it looked really cool. I wanted to share it. I'll probably post a picture to Facebook. I don't think there are any other differences. I'm told there are other minor changes that they've been making. Iteration changes. I don't know. Maybe they changed the metal of a switch, or a diode on the inside might be different because they found that something, 1 out of every 200, needed a different diode. I don't know. But I'm just really enamored with how this looks. It's kind of one of those pieces that I want to set on my shelf. It looks great. It looks great. And you can tell it's just a faceplate. See the difference? There's carbon comes up around here and not down here. And then we've got all the different red accessories. And you might be wondering why red, not blue. It's because they don't offer blue. So you'll find these in gold, red, I think it's silver or white, and black. And then they have a couple of different leather types. I don't know which one this is. Maybe brown. They've got another one called Cowboy. It kind of looks like they have a couple of other tints on the brown and the Cowboy. Maybe not. Maybe it's just brown and Cowboy. I just like how this one looks. Even in red, I really like how this one looks. So thank you to Radio Master for sending me this. I don't know if I'll actually be flying it or if I'll be sitting on my shelf to just kind of make me think how cool it is, or to have it in the background whenever I have the face cam up. I wanted to share it. I know it's a very hypey video. This is not something I've done before, but I haven't run across a piece of equipment that I thought, man, this looks really good. And it looks like you paid a lot of money for it. And maybe these parts do cost a lot. I don't know. Anyways, hopefully this video stayed short. If you have any comments or questions, I probably don't have any answers. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.